Strong team, one of the best team in Africa now. When you look at the team from individual quality and collective quality, they are very strong side.
Nous sommes conscients du fait que nous avons affaire à une des meilleures équipes de ce tournoi. Quand vous regardez la qualité et le talent individuel des joueurs qui composent cette équipe du Sénégal.
But I also believe one thing, if you are in a tournament, you must believe in yourself.
Je crois à une chose, lorsque vous êtes dans une compétition, vous devez d'abord croire en vous-même.
What matters tomorrow is that we be in a position to be able to compete with the Senegalese team.
Ce qui est important demain, c'est que nous serons dans des dispositions qu'il faut pour compétir d'égal à égal contre cette équipe du Sénégal.
And I hope tomorrow my players will be in the position to be able to give the best out of themselves.
Et j'espère que demain mes joueurs seront dans des meilleures conditions pour donner le meilleur d'eux-mêmes. Thank you. Samantha, captain. Tomorrow you will be facing a Senegalese team full of star talent, but Sadio Mane won't be playing. Will it be an advantage for you to play a Senegalese team without Sadio Mane?
Well, hi everyone. I think
Bonjour à tout le monde.
I think yeah, kind of advantage, even though we have a lot of players with quality.
Bien sûr que c'est un avantage de ne pas avoir Sadio Mane, malgré le fait que le Sénégal regorge de beaucoup de joueurs de qualité.
But yeah, we know which kind of team we are going to play tomorrow.
Nous sommes conscients de quel genre d'équipe nous allons affronter demain.
And we believe the people in Africa, we respect them.
Donc, c'est des géants de l'Afrique, nous les respectons à ce titre.
But whether they play with Sadio or not, we just want to compensate and try to take points from them.
Donc, qu'ils jouent avec Sadio Mane ou pas, nous allons essayer de donner le meilleur de nous-mêmes contre cette équipe. Bon, the floor is yours. You introduce yourself, your media house, and ask your question. The mic here, please. Ok, allez-y.
Okay. Yacine Samb de RFI, une question pour le coach. Coach, vous avez un des meilleurs attaquants d'Europe avec vous, vous l'avez au quotidien. Ce que je voulais savoir, c'est ce que vous attendez de lui dans ce match-là et pour tout le tournoi en tant que capitaine. Et l'autre question, c'est qu'il a été à une période...
Une seule question, s'il vous plaît.
C'est sur lui.
C'est le joueur?
Non, sur lui. C'est toujours sur le joueur.
Vous avez déjà posé une question, non?
Mais c'est la continuité de la question.
Okay.
Et donc, toujours sur Samata, avec sa belle saison, à un moment, il a été en contact avec l'Olympique de Marseille. Est-ce que vous pensez, après cette belle saison, qu'il peut encore viser plus haut dans des clubs encore plus prestigieux? Merci.
Bon, la question est tellement longue.
English.
Tu vois, hein? Okay, he's saying that you have one of the best player, top striker in Europe. What do you expect? What is your expectation for him during the tournament? Eh? Turn on. Where do you turn on this one? Okay, coach, you have one of the best players, top striker in Europe, who is Samata. What is your expectation for him during this tournament? And recently he's been approached by a club in France called Marseille. And do you think that he will end up in one of the top European clubs?
Yeah, well, I could tell you that for me as a coach, I think it's a privilege to have a player like Samatta.
Pour moi, en tant qu'entraîneur, c'est un privilège d'avoir un joueur de la calibre de Samatta.
And we are happy with our captain, what he has done in Europe.
Okay.
So we are happy with what he has done in Europe. I have played the game, and having the privilege to be with them much better, and to do us proud. Regardless of the country a player is coming from, they are all representing Africa. Today we are all happy that Mane, Salah, they are all doing great in Liverpool. So that's the joy. We want to see more African players doing great and promoting African football. I'm always pleased with my captain, and I always said one thing: he's a professional, and he has the right frame of mind and attitude as a professional. So my prayer is that God should give him the grace to be in the right place where he can be able to exhibit his quality.
Ok, je suis vraiment très fier d'avoir un joueur comme Samatta dans mon équipe. C'est une fierté pour moi, et évidemment, aujourd'hui, il ne s'agit pas de lui seul. Nous avons Mané, nous avons Salah, et mon rêve, effectivement, c'est de voir un joueur comme lui aussi briller. Pourquoi pas? J'ai aussi joué au plus haut niveau du football africain et international, et tout ce que je souhaiterais, c'est de voir aussi Samatta évoluer au plus haut niveau dans le plus grand club. Donc c'est tout le bien que je lui souhaite. Évidemment, il fait partie de mes joueurs et du joueur sur qui je compte pour ce tournoi. Question? Yes. Question? Huh? Yes. Next one there. At the back.
Hi, hello, I'm Alexis Sontan for the AFP. Question for the coach and the player. Is the heat a concern for you guys? Was it difficult to train with that heat? And are you worried for the game tomorrow? Thank you.
Ok, c'est une question pour le joueur et l'entraîneur. Est-ce que la chaleur vous inquiète?
Well, we are not worried about the heat. I think we are privileged to have been here for almost 2 weeks training. We are not also worried about the game. What we are concerned is for we as a team to be ready psychologically and mentally, from holistic point of view, to be able to be ready to compete with the Senegalese team. There is no doubt they are one of the best teams in the continent. When you look at the players, the calibers of players that they possess. But I always say one thing, in football, if you want to be great, you have to prepare yourself to compete with among the best. And hopefully to...
Nous ne sommes pas du tout inquiets. Nous sommes en préparation en Tanzanie. Donc, pour moi, le plus important, c'est d'être prêt physiquement et psychologiquement pour affronter le Sénégal, qui est une très grande équipe, qui est une très bonne équipe. Et nous sommes venus compétir. Et j'espère que demain, mes joueurs seront prêts physiquement et psychologiquement pour affronter cette grande équipe du Sénégal. Ok.
I think it's the same weather as Tanzania, so it's not a problem.
Donc, je dirais la même chose que l'entraîneur a dit. En tant que Tanzanie, ce n'est pas du tout un problème pour nous. Please, man.
Je m'appelle Bonjour, je m'appelle Bamba, je suis journaliste sénégalais. Coach, vous avez...
Quelle maison? Quel organe?
Dakaractu Sénégal, ouais. Coach, vous avez joué au plus haut niveau en Afrique et peut-être dans un club européen. Vous avez peut-être côtoyé Aliou Cissé ou vous avez joué avant lui. Qu'est-ce que vous connaissez de Aliou et quand vous l'avez vu à la Coupe du Monde, peut-être une fierté pour vous de voir un entraîneur africain coacher une équipe africaine à la Coupe du Monde. Est-ce que vous pouvez revenir un peu sur ce que vous savez de Aliou Cissé? Quels sont ses mérites, quelles sont ses forces et ses faiblesses? Merci.
Okay, coach, you play at the highest level. Probably you played against Aliou Cissé, or you probably may have played before him. I am sure you've seen him during the World Cup in Russia. Are you proud of seeing an African coach in Russia? And please tell us how much do you know about Aliou Cissé?
Well, first of all, Aliou Cissé, I think he's a brother. And regardless of tomorrow, we're going to face each other in a game of football. But I think he's a player that has done so much for African continent, and he has done so much for the Senegalese football. And today he continues as a coach. He was in the World Cup, which is a pride for we Africa. Seeing an African coach, leading a national team to the World Cup. He's a friend of mine. He's a brother. But the reality is that I'm happy for him, what he's doing. And I pray that in his own little way, God will continue to give him wisdom and grace to be able to promote Senegalese football and African football. So there is no doubt about the respect I have for him as a human being, as a player. But destiny, tomorrow we're going to play against each other. So it's a total different team. But of course, he's a very great coach, and I hope we continue to learn. In a world of coaching, it's not all about how good you are today. It's all about how the ability you can provide to yourself to improve as a human being, how you want to correct yourself, how you want to be able to grow as a coach. And I hope we African coaches will have that platform where we can continue to grow, where we can continue to broaden our knowledge as a coach.
Donc, Aliou Cissé, c'est d'abord un frère, un ami, et il faut dire que nous tous, en tant qu'Africains, avons été très fiers de voir l'un d'entre nous entraîner une équipe à la Coupe du Monde. C'est un très grand entraîneur. J'ai beaucoup de respect pour lui. Mais la réalité va être sur le terrain demain. Donc, malgré qu'il soit un ami et un frère, et pour moi aussi, c'est un privilège de pouvoir jouer contre lui demain. Et donc, je prie le bon Dieu pour qu'il puisse lui donner encore beaucoup de connaissances, beaucoup de sagesse pour aller de l'avant. Jusque-là, il a porté très haut le flambeau du football sénégalais et du football africain. La réalité d'aujourd'hui n'est pas celle de demain. Donc, demain, ça va être une autre paire de manches. Et pour moi, une fois de plus, c'est un privilège de jouer contre un frère et un ami en la personne d'Aliou Cissé.
Bonjour, Mehdi Dahak, Media Algeria, Dizetout.com. Question for the coach. You talked a lot about Senegal as a big team. You're also with Algeria, who played against Tanzania the last years. Tanzania was beaten against Algeria, so I imagine you think that Algeria is a big team also. So the qualification of Tanzania will be played again in the derby against Kenya. Do you think it's the qualification will be against Kenya?
Well, I think all the teams that made it to the AFCON, I think No team was invited here. They all played to be here. And that means they all deserve to be respected. Unfortunately, we have not said much about Algeria because of the game at hand tomorrow. But I can categorically tell you, Algerian national team, they have a lot of great players. They have quality players. It's a very strong side. And which we are aware of that. We have respect for them. Previously, we have played against them several times. We have lost most of the games against them. But of course, in life, when you are nothing, you always have the ability to improve your life. If we have lost to them before, does not mean that today we cannot improve our game. We cannot improve as a team. I think the best thing is for us to wait. When the time comes with the Algerian team, we can be able to know how we can classify ourselves and classify them also as a team. But there is no doubt that they are one of the strongest teams also in this tournament because they have a lot of great players playing in Europe with top quality players. Manrez was former African Footballer of the Year. So there is no doubt that when you have a player, former African Footballer of the Year, there is a lot of stuff, a lot of qualities that he's going to bring into the team. We have a lot of respect for them, but we have mentioned a lot of underdogs, non-underdogs, big name, not big name. Well, in football, it is all accepted, but the reality is that all the 24 teams, they all have equal opportunity, but it all depends on the plan that each team is coming up with.
Gadri Tariq, FIFA.com. My question for the player, Samata. Samata, can you share with us your opinion about Algeria team that you know very well? You played against them 3 years ago. I know it was a very hard score in Algeria, 7-0 in the World Cup qualifiers. Do you think it's a revenge for you here in AFCON?
I think it's not a secret that Algerian teams are strong, and everybody in Africa knows that. But that was the past. What happened was like 2-3 years ago. This is a new challenge. So, well, of course, we know which team we are going to face, but we don't want to go back on the same thing what happened 3 years ago, because we improved a lot, and I think we can challenge them this time.
Okay, 2 last questions.
Hosam Aid, Sal Al-Balad TV. The question for Mr. Emmanuel. Do you think that you are lucky for playing, that you will play in Egypt because you have a special relation with the Zamalek fans? And do you think that is it will affect positive on you and on your team?
Well, I think in life also, no matter what you are doing, at times you need luck to pull through. I have said this several times. I think in Egypt I started my career professionally as a player. And the 3 years I was here, it was a very great memory for me in terms of my playing career. And after that, I have maintained a great relationship with the Egyptian people. So if I'm here, maybe it's luck, it's privilege, but the most important thing is that we are in Egypt. And coming back as a coach, not as a player, I hope I can be able to work very hard. I hope I can be able to convince my players. I hope I can be able to transmit the knowledge to them where we can be able to do something positive to our national team, which is Tanzania, how we can see means to acquire a lot of experience where we can grow as a team when it comes to football. I think that is my objective. Well, I'm privileged that the tournament is being hosted in Egypt. Of course, I played for Zamalek. I have a lot of people, not only Zamalek, both Ali fans, they all support me. So I pray and I hope my coming here can be something positive to African football and to Tanzanian football.
Donc, c'est vrai que j'ai commencé ma carrière professionnelle ici en Égypte. J'ai joué pour le Zamalek pendant pratiquement 3 ans. Donc, j'ai beaucoup de fans ici, pas seulement au niveau du Zamalek, mais au niveau même de Ali aussi. Je pense que le destin a voulu que je revienne ici en tant que joueur et j'espère que mes joueurs seront hyper motivés pour cela. Ils seront à la hauteur et cela va nous aider à très bons résultats lors de cette compétition. Nous sommes venus ici pour compétir. C'est vrai, je suis vraiment très heureux de pouvoir retrouver l'Égypte, la terre égyptienne, où je me sens vraiment très à l'aise et j'espère que ça va inspirer aussi mes joueurs et pour aboutir à un très bon résultat. Last one.
Loumenay Kassi de la chaîne Inter TV. Ma question est pour Samata et Amoniké, bien sûr. Concernant l'évolution de l'équipe nationale algérienne, est-ce qu'ils ont suivi ça par rapport à ce qui est, surtout Samata qui a affronté l'Algérie il y a 2-3 ans, est-ce qu'il a senti une amélioration par rapport au jeu et par rapport à l'état d'esprit de cette équipe?
Okay, my question is for both the coach and the player. I am sure you've been following Algerian football since that defeat until today. Have you seen any improvement in Algerian football? How do you rate Algerian football today?
Well, there's no doubt and there's no question about the pedigree that the Algerian team, possesses when it comes to African football. Of course, it is true that we were beaten 7-0 one time. That was 3 years ago. But like I always say, even if you are beaten in football, the important thing is to go back and review yourself and look at your mistakes and then look at the area, how you can improve. And I think the Tanzanian that we were beaten before is not the same Tanzanian we have today. We have improved a lot. We have worked very hard as a team, and that's the reason why we were here. Nobody invited us through writing. We came here by fighting. Yeah, it is true, I can see you insist on 7-0, 7-0. It is true we have lost. But I can also tell you, in football, I don't underestimate game against Algeria. We respect them a lot. We know they have a lot of good players, but I think it's better we lower our expectation and allow the right time to come. Then we know what will happen.
Thank you. Samantha?
For me, I think there's still the big boys in African football. And we know they have a lot of quality players that play in top teams in Europe. So I think they improved from that time to today. But that doesn't mean that they'll come and beat us 7 again. I don't believe that can happen.
Okay, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Now we are going to welcome Algeria. Thank you, coach, and good luck to Tanzania.
Thank you, sir. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Sawa sawa, ni Kiingereza na Kifaransa. Sasa tuanze kwa utaratibu kudadavua kimoja baada ya kingine vile venye umuhimu, hususan vile ambavyo vinatugusa moja kwa moja kwa maana ya timu ya taifa ya Tanzania. Huo ni mkutano na waandishi wa habari kuelekea kwenye mechi ya kwanza ya Taifa Stars.